Welcome back to YouTubeGrowth Academy. If you're struggling to grow your channel and want to learn hacks that actually increase your subscribers fast, then you're in the right place.
Today I'm going to share one powerful hack that can literally change your YouTube journey, plus some bonus tips that most creators don't even know about. So stay with me until the end. Now let me ask you a question.
Have you ever uploaded a video, worked super hard on it, but then got only a few views and barely any new subscribers? Trust me, you're not alone. Most creators think the problem is with their content, but the truth is it's usually about strategy. That's where this hack comes in. The hack is simple. Optimize your channel for binge watching. Yes, binge watching. Think about your favorite Netflix series. You don't just watch one episode, you watch multiple back to back. And the same concept applies to YouTube. The more time viewers spend watching your videos one after another, the more YouTube will recommend your channel to others. And guess what? More recommendations mean more subscribers. So how can you actually do this? Let's break it down. Step 1. Organize your videos into playlists that make sense together. Playlists aren't just a collection of random videos. They should have a clear theme or journey. For example, if you're running a fitness channel, don't just make a playlist called workouts. Instead, create something like 30-day beginner fitness challenge or lose weight in 2 weeks, step by step, this way. And they'll keep clicking next video, next video, next video. Step 2. Use end screens and cards strategically. At the end of your video, never leave your viewers hanging. Instead, guide them to another related video or playlist. For example, if your video is about how to start a YouTube channel, your end screen could say, "Now watch this video on how to edit like a pro." By connecting videos, you keep viewers on your channel longer. And remember, the longer they stay, the higher your chances of turning them into subscribers. Step 3. Use powerful calls to action. Many creators make the mistake of just saying, "Don't forget to subscribe." But here's the thing. Viewers won't subscribe unless they see value. So give them a reason. Say something like, "If you want to double your subscribers in the next 30 days, hit that subscribe button because I share proven growth hacks every single week." That way, you're not just asking, you're offering a benefit. Now, here's a bonus tip that can really set you apart. Be consistent with your branding, especially your thumbnails and titles. When people see a certain color, font, or style and immediately recognize that it's your video, they start building trust with your channel. It's like seeing the logo of your favorite restaurant. You know what to expect. And when viewers trust you, subscribing becomes the natural next step. Another important thing to remember is interaction. Don't treat your channel like a one-way street. Always reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and encourage your viewers to engage. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to hit that subscribe button because they feel part of your community. And let me share one more pro hack. Post at a consistent time every week. YouTube's algorithm notices patterns. But more importantly, your viewers will too. If they know that every Saturday at 10 a.m. you upload a new video, they'll start expecting it just like a TV show. And loyal viewers are the ones who subscribe and stick around. So, let's quickly recap. The secret hack to growing your subscribers is all about creating a binge-worthy experience. Use playlists that take viewers on a journey. Connect your videos with end screens and cards. Give strong calls to action. Keep your branding consistent. Interact with your audience, and stay consistent with your posting schedule. If you apply all these steps, you'll not only increase subscribers, but you'll also build a loyal community that trusts you and looks forward to your content. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And of course, subscribe to YouTubeGrowth Academy for more proven tips and hacks to grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.